Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about Autodesk Inventor. What is Autodesk Inventor? Autodesk Inventor is basically a 3D modeling software in which you can make a 2D sketch of a drawing and convert it into 3D. This is the basic concept of Autodesk Inventor. It does a lot of other things, but what I'm telling you today is basic thing. And this video series, there will be a video series in my channel. There'll be a video series of Autodesk Inventor, and we'll start from scratch to we'll start from easy level, or you can say from scratch and go to the tough level. Understand? So the difficulty level will increase in each drawing. So let's see, where is Autodesk Inventor? This is Autodesk Inventor on the screen. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this Autodesk Inventor 2016. Okay, I'm going to click on this Autodesk Inventor 2016 and wait for the screen to open. See, it's going to open now. There are many commands over here, so I'm not going to teach you everything right now. I'm just going to teach you the basic things for you to understand. This series will be from easy to tough. From easy to tough. Again, I mentioned it will be from easy to tough. So anyone who wants to learn Autodesk Inventor, he can come to my channel, and you can learn from the basic, from easy to tough. So by every week, or by every drawing, the difficulty level will increase. So as you can see here, there are many things over here: new, open projects, alternatively everything afterwards. Okay, so today I'm basically going to focus on this one. You can see this one: part, assembly, drawing, presentation. In this, I'm going to basically focus on part. Understand? Parts. But before we go over there, I have to listen. Before you to make any drawing, you should know the units, correct? Which you want to make it. You want to make the drawing in inches or So if you want, what is your preference, inches, So what I'm going to do over here for units, I have to go over here. You can see this one configure default templates. So for units, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over here and click on this one. See, if you want it in inches, just click on inches. And if you want it in millimeters, click on millimeters. So this is measurement units default, but I want it in millimeters. Okay, and drawing standard default: ANSI, BSI, DIN, GB, GOST, ISO, JIS, whichever you want, you can click. So I'm going to teach you in millimeters and ISO. This will be my standard. Understand? So millimeters, ISO. So I'm going to click this on this one. Okay, and do all right here. What is the default template standard will be replaced according to a selected drawing standard or measurement unit. The original default template will be copied to the old template folder as a backup. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, I want to overwrite. Now, so what is part actually? In part, you make a 2D sketch and convert it into 3D sketch. What you do? Make a 2D sketch and convert it into 3D sketch. Okay. And what is assembly? Assembly, like you have nut, bolt, washer, and different parts. And if you want to assemble them, you'll go for assembly. And you can get ready-made fasteners, uh, washers, nut, bolt, anything you can get ready made. You don't have to make it. You can get it in assembly. Okay. So I'm not going to focus on assembly today. I'm only going to focus on part. And in drawing, if you make a 2D sketch into 3D sketch, and if you want the front view, top view, side view, and 3D view, section view, many things you can get in drawing. Okay. It's ready made, and measurements, everything get over here. Presentation, in presentation, as you can understand by the photo, if you want the simulation of the drawing, and if you want the exploded view of the drawing, you can get it on presentation. Understand? So I'm not going to focus on presentation, drawing, assembly today. I'm going to basically focus on part. So again, I'm mentioning this will be like a lecture series. So I'm going to click on part. Okay, I'm going to click on part, wait for it to open. finish. This screen will appear. As you can see on my on my screen, the screen will appear. Now where I go for 2D sketch to make a 2D sketch. See, you can see over here with the pencil, and there is a line like this. So on the left hand corner, you see, so you'll click on start 2D sketch. So there will be start 2D sketch and start 3D sketch. So I'm gonna click on create start 2D sketch. Now, when I click on start 2D sketch, it's showing XY plane. In which plane you want? XY plane, YZ plane, XZ plane. Okay, YZ plane, XZ plane. Which plane you want? I'm going to draw on XY plane. Understand? Now I'm going to select a drawing which I'm going to draw. I'm going to show you. If you want to click the photo of this drawing, you can click the photo also of this drawing. So I'm going to make this drawing. You can see the front view. This is a nice section with a rectangular slot. Now, what is the length of this drawing? 160 mm. What is the length of this drawing? 160 mm. What is the length? 160. And what is the height? 100 mm. So first of all, I'm going to make this one. Make a line of 160 mm length. And if you don't understand anything, or if you have any query, you're free to comment on my video and ask me, and if possible I'll make a video for your query. And just go on this one, click on line. Okay, you click on the line. Now you can see the yellow line over here. I'm going to, when I go on the yellow line, it becomes green. So I'm going to click on this line. Now you can see the blue box. Is it visible? Blue box, see. And you can see on the white box it's degree, no? Yes, if I increase like this, it will be degree 37.5, and if I come on the top, it will become 90 degrees. So it's automatic. So I want a straight line. Okay, a straight line. So now if you want to draw a line, straight line, you can see on the blue box, just write 160, enter. So it will take how much? 160 mm. But what we can see over here, that the line is not visible completely. It's very big line. 160 mm, very big. So what I'm going to do to make it visible, first I'm going to press escape escape for the line command to go. Okay, see, the line command went. Now I'm going to double click on the scroll of the mouse, or you can say wheel of the mouse. Just double click, so it will it will zoom in. I'll do double click. See, it has zoomed in. Understand? And if I just rotate the wheel of the scroll, or the scroll of the mouse, it will zoom in or zoom out. Okay, just try with your mouse, so you know how to do it. So you'll learn how to do it. Understand? If you just try with the wheel of the mouse and rotate the wheel of the mouse, you can learn how to do it. So I'm going to just zoom in for it to be visible. You can see it's 160 mm. So I'll make it a little bit more small by rotating the wheel of the mouse. Now I'm going to go back to the drawing. So how much mm is this one? 160 mm. Got it. So it's on top. It is 160 mm. So obviously this will be also 160 mm, because both are parallel and symmetric. And symmetric. Now this is total 100, and this is 60 mm. So this will be 20 20. It's basic mathematics, correct? This will be 60 and this is 20. So this will also be obviously 20. So what I'm going to draw a line of 20 mm. Go on line command. See, if I go over here, it is yellow, yellow. And if you come to the end of the line, for people who don't know where is the end of line, just go on to the end of the line and to show green color. So this is the end of your line. Okay, so you can start from here. It's 20 mm. All right, 20. Oh, see, I made a mistake. What a mistake I made! It's not straight line. You see, it's not a straight line. So I'm going to press escape, and I'm going to right click on this line. Okay, what I'm going to do, right click on this line to delete this line. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do right click on this line. I'm going to do right click on this line, and then left click and press on delete. Okay, see, again I'll show you. No need to do a right click, just do left click on this line and delete. Understand? Just do left click on this line and delete. So it has gone. Now what I'm going to do, Press on this one. So those people who did not get the delete command, again I'll show you. Understand? Suppose I made a wrong line like this. I want to remove this line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do left click on this line. Go to this line, do left click of the mouse. What you have to do, do click the uh, click the left button of the mouse. Okay, click the left button of the mouse, and on top you can see delete. It will go. Understand? So it's 20 mm. So again I'll go over here where the line ends 20. Understand? And the inside it will go on the left hand side how much mm, 30 mm, I think so. It's 30 mm. Then this will be 60 mm. See, again I cannot see. Again I'll zoom out, zoom in. I can see. So now how much is this much, this line? 20, 30 mm. I'm going to write 30 mm, enter. Again I'm going to do zoom in, make it a little small so I can see properly. And this will be how much mm? 20 mm. Okay, and then one more, and then a line, straight line of 160 mm. Okay, it's taken 160 mm. Control Z for you to know because I've done very fast. See, what you have to do, go on the line command. This line ends over here. Go on the left hand side. How much mm? 160 mm. See, this inventor is very smart. 160 mm figure on this line. Click on 160 mm, and again how much mm? 20 mm. Then right hand side 30. And again you go down how much mm? 60. And again 30 mm. You have to just keep the line straight. Understood? Then I can come down 20 mm to complete dissection. Finish. Escape. Escape means I don't want a line command anymore. If you don't want any command, just press escape. That command will go. Understand? If you don't want any command, just like suppose I want to make a line over here. I made a line. Now I don't want to. I don't want this line again. I don't want to make a line again. I want to use some other command. So what I'm going to do? Press escape. Spawn. And how to delete this line? Left click on the mouse button. Left click on the mouse. Okay. Left click. Press delete. It will go. Okay. Understood? If you did not understand, you're free to ask me in the comment section. If you did not understand anything, see, now inside the I section we have a slot of 60 by 40 mm. What is the dimension of slot? 60 by 40 mm. So how to this rectangle, how to make a rectangular slot 60 by 40? The you can see over here, again I'll show you the drawing. Can you see the length of the drawing is 60 and the height is 40 mm. Okay, or you can see from here is 60 mm is the length, 40 mm is the height. So I'm going to go to rectangle, and just anywhere I'm going to write length 60, then press tab to go to the next block, next dimension. If I want to go to the next dimension, it's showing 32.488 mm. But how much I want 40 mm. So if I finish writing 60, so I'm going to press the tab on the keyboard, so it will go directly to the next dimension. So how much I'm going to write over here? What I'm going to write, 4040. Finish. Now this is 60 by 40, but is it how we want? No. Why? Because this 60 mm line is 30 mm far from, distance is 30 mm from the 160 mm line. Okay, see, 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm on the y axis. Understand? So it's 30 mm for 160 mm line, this 60 mm line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to dimension. I'm going to go to dimension, click on dimension. See, click on dimension. Here's dimension. Click on this green line, 60 mm line. Click. Then I'm going to go down on where I'm going to go on the 160 mm line, and click on this one, and then go up and click on this one, on the number, and see edit dimension has come. It's how much? What is the distance? I forgot. It's 30 mm. 30. Now, this distance is, I think so, 20 mm. Let's cross verify. Yeah, it's 20 mm. So you can see here 20 mm. 20 mm like this. So I'm going to go on dimension command, and again from this line I'm going to go on this line. Okay, click over here, go back and click on this number. And it's 19.7. I'm going to write 20. So it's okay. Now I want to make a 3D sketch. Now how am I going to make a 3D sketch? On this right hand side you can see something is written finish sketch with a green tick mark. Okay, finish sketch. See, again it's big. Now tell me what you have to do. What you have to do? Double click on the wheel of the mouse. See, now we can see it zoomed in. Now we have to extrude. How much we have to extrude? Again, we go back to the drawing. So you can see on the top view what is the width of the drawing, 60 mm, or you can see the side view, the width of the drawing is 60 mm. So I want like this, just like this isometric view. So I go to the extrude command and just write here 60 and go for profile. For selecting the profile, I want to select 60 mm. Understood? Now, suppose I made this drawing. I want material. Maybe this is cast iron. Okay, so I'll go iron cast. So this becomes cast iron. And if I want to change the color also, I want to make bright red, slight red. Understand? Now, how to save this drawing? Very easy. Just make a folder anywhere on the screen. Uh, New folder. I'll write inventor drawing. Okay, on this folder. Finish. Then inside I'll make one more new folder for more options. New folder. I'll write DWG1. Okay, I'm going to save here. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to go back to the inventor and go on this one I. Okay, and click on this I. Now go over here, save as. See, save as, and I've saved on desktop. No, so I'll go on desktop, inventor drawing, double click on inventor drawing, DWG1, part 1. If you want to change the name of the part also, no issue, write anything, but it should be in .ipt format, and save. See, the drawing has saved. Now afterwards I'll show you how to make this one how to change the view and all this. I'm not going to tell you right now. This is the basic inventor drawing which I've showed you on the first video. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you did not understand anything about this drawing, or if you have any doubts, queries, you're free to comment in the comment section so I can reply to you. And if possible, I'll make a drawing. I'll make a new video for you to understand. Thank you very much. This is done for today.